I've taken this out of the box. I'm not going to bore you with an unboxing video, and I've put this together. And all that's involved in putting this basket rack together is the pieces that it comes with. You have these pieces that make up the two-piece spit rod, and you've got several different configurations here. I have configured mine for the Kamado Joe Classic because that's what my Joetisserie is. But if you want to use this on a big Joe, you use the longer pieces, and this will also work on a 22-inch grill configuration as well with the right setup on these. But the pieces that come are the spit rod pieces. You've got these two brackets and the two bars that go between them, and the only bit of assembly you have to do is you install these pieces into the bracket, and there's a couple of Allen screws, hex screws there. Those are 2.5 millimeter, and you have the same thing on this side over here. And then these bars are held in with a couple of the provided bolts. There's one of these on each end, and these are 8 millimeter. So this guy's really solid. It goes together really easily, and it feels very heavy duty to me. I don't think I see anything here that is lacking in any quality on the build. So let's look at the baskets. The first basket in the set here is the tumbler basket, and it comes in two pieces, and it just fits on these hinge points here and slides right into place. If I can actually see what I'm doing here. And then once you have those in place, the basket just closes, and there's a latch mechanism right up front here that holds the basket closed. On the back side of the basket, you have the mount that mounts to the rear bar on the spinning bracket, and this piece right here is a hinged piece that clips over the front bar. I'll show you what this looks like. We'll put this on the grill in just a minute, and in the meantime, let's look at the flat basket. The flat basket is designed to cook things that you don't want to tumble, and the pieces just come out of here. I'm not going to take both out. There's two of them, and they both are adjustable inside the basket. If you can have a look here, you can see that there are different levels at which you can position these grates to manage the thickness of whatever you want to put in here. You can put something in here that's as thick as this basket is, or you can put something in there that looks like maybe about an inch thick to keep it in place. And these guys just slide right in to those notches, and then they just, well, let's get them at the same level here. They just snap right into place. So I've just put my frame assembly here on the Joetisserie for the Classic. So I'm going to take the tumbler basket, and we're going to take those pieces and put them right on that back bar, and then on the front side here we will just put that down and clip it right into place, and everything is solid on there. And if you want to stop this and open the basket, you have that option right there. So then you just turn your Joetisserie on and let that guy start to spin. And the other cool thing about this system is your spit rod is not running through the basket. So the rod's not in there taking up space or creating a problem with your tumbling. It's completely open inside that basket. But if you have a rotisserie system where you want to use this basket, you can still do that, because it has your standard place where you can run this on a spit rod for anybody's rotisserie system. So while I'm showing you, I might as well go ahead and put the flat basket on here as well, and we'll snap it into place, and we'll turn it on and let it spin. I'm actually really excited about this flat basket. I believe this one is gonna be something that I'll use more. I don't tumble wings as often as most people do, but I really think I see some cool options for this. So guys, this is our first look. I just wanted to give you a look at this, a look at how it works, how it comes together, and the fit and the finish of it, so you can have a better idea of what you're looking at here. I'm going to get some cooking going on this in some upcoming videos, so stay tuned.